Gathered here today to witness the marriage between Elmo Magalona and Julian San Jose. Elmo, do you take Julian to be your lawfully wedded wife, through sickness and in health, till death do you part?
I do.
And Julian, do you take Elmo to be your lawfully wedded husband, through sickness and in health, until death do you part?
I do.
Well, with the power invested in me by Party Pilipinas, I now declare you husband and wife. Elmo, you may now kiss the bride. Congratulations.
To describe these twin stars. OMG! OMG! Dahil kita din naman, sobrang nakakakilig pag nakikita natin sila, di ba? Julie Mo, palakpakan po natin. Ipapakasal!
Congratulations, guys.
Congratulations.
OMG ka talaga. Lalo na't kasama mo ang mga apat na Kapuso Cutie with Julie Mo, Alden, and Rocco. Nasaan si Rocco?
Rocco,
In this year's Yahoo OMG Awards. Guys, why don't you invite everybody to vote for you? Yes, please vote for us in this year's Yahoo OMG Awards by texting or logging on to Yahoo OMG website. Yes.
Click on ph.omg.yahoo.com/OMG Awards para malaman kung paano bumoto. Yep, pati kami ni Alden nominated in this year. May nomination din sila Rian, Lovie, Bella, Jake, Bea, Solen, Kylie, Sam, Mona Luis, Marian, and Ding Dong, and Mr. Ogie Alcacid. So vote na mga kapuso, just text or go online. Yeah, OMG!
OMG.
That's right, I know who I'm voting for.
I know who you're voting for also.
Rian, of course. Anyways, we're giving away 5 tickets to the Yahoo OMG Awards 2012 here, right now.
Thank you guys. Ano naman kaya ang nakaka-OMG na info ang ihahatid sa atin ng Campus Girls na sila Mac and Jen? Hey girls!